Hello there. Good morning. Hi. We had 4/10 of an inch of rain last night, according to Tempest, and we had thunder and lightning, and we had a power blip, and it was kind of intense out there. So these guys rushed back through the door this morning. It didn't sound dangerous, or I would have gotten up and let them in sooner. Stripe and Morris were holed up in the Cat Hotel, and Tux and Marty were on the platform, and they were dry and safe. Hi. You ready for some food? Okay. Marty's ready to go back outside. That's what Marty is. You can go. I'll be out in a few minutes. I'm working on the food now. Morris is waiting out there. So is Tux. Big serenaded. Hi. Come on up, Tux. Come on up. Morris. Morris. Hi, bud. Good morning. I'll help Tux. Alright, there we go. Now Tux is happy. I'll be right back with the other bowls. Hi, buddy. Yeah, I love these mornings when I don't have to water plants and all I gotta do is refresh water bowls. Yep, it's got that fall rustle of the leaves out there. I'm noting that the GFCI is out. The fountain near the catio's off, so when I go to the back of the house, I'll attempt to reset that. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, coming out and seeing Ruby's dent. We've got an estimate now. I'm going to get Dawn to tell us about that here in just a second before I pull out. All right, give us the lowdown.
Yeah, well, I did get the estimate from Tyler at Relentless. The $7,490, so $7,500, and the big thing is he had said it was probably going to happen is they are going to replace the lift gate, and that part's $1,806 just for that part. And of course, because they have to replace that part, they have to transfer the glass, the spoiler, and the chrome trim, and all those pieces over to the new lift gate. So that adds quite a bit of labor. I mean, that's labor, and it's, labor. They have a couple different rates for labor. $125 for structural labor, $95 for body labor, and paint labor was, I think, $135. So they have different rates for the labor. But
yeah, you said the lift gate was $185 or
no, $1,800.
$1,800. Yeah, that's right.
$1,800.
Yeah,
for that.
so a small part of the whole thing.
Right, but what I said, what I was trying to communicate was, because if they didn't have to replace the lift gate, then that means all that extra labor to transfer the existing pieces over to the new lift gate, that labor wouldn't have been included, and that labor is pretty pricey, and it's not 5 minutes, it's like 14 hours at $100 and something an hour, so it's not cheap. Anyway, it is what it is. I guess, truthfully speaking, it's not surprising that it's $7,500. I mean, you can't scratch anything nowadays.
Right.
But I will take that estimate now and go through the process and all that kind of stuff and put it into State Farm. Your hummingbirds over there.
Oh, way cool. He's on the coleus flowers
Yep.
again. Thanks for
Yep.
pointing him out. And
Yep.
it's raining.
Yeah, it's sprinkling right
It's
now.
sprinkling.
Well,
The sun was coming
about
out, and now it's sprinkling again.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Well, I guess I'm not shocked, and I'm just kind of just like, okay, that's sounds okay. I mean, I guess it's not like it's $20,000, which would have been like, holy moly, that's ridiculous, and you can't do anything like you said for more than several $1,000s. So
Right. Yeah.
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
I'll just pray they do a good job.
That's right.
Oh, he's behind you now, looking for flowers. He buzzed behind you. Yep.
I caught him a glint in my eye.
Yeah. Well, I'm enjoying them these past few weeks. They leave for sure. All of them will be gone by like the first to second week. Like by October 10th, they'll all be gone.
Okay.
And they're moving through now, headed home.
Sure.
So we've just got these last few weeks to enjoy them.
Yep.
Yep. The hummingbirds, not the auto repair.
Oh, please. This will be a few weeks and we won't be enjoying.
No. Hey, girl, you're all Grogu'd out today. Oh, you have on the new purse that I got you for your birthday. Let me see.
I couldn't wait to put
Yay! Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, I love
Yeah. Well,
baby.
let's go find some deers. I like the whole outfit's looking good. I've got a decent selection of wreaths, and I thought this was kind of cool. Be strong when you are weak, brave when you are scared, and humble when you are something. It didn't last too good, I guess. Oh, here's some mermaid string art. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, I found me this black kitty rug. It's similar to the one I already have, but I definitely want it. And then we were walking past over here trying to figure out just exactly what these are. Are they bags of flour? Are they... We don't quite know.
You know those candles you got me, the rechargeable ones, the ones you plug in?
The little tea lights?
Oh my god, what a game changer. No
Really?
more batteries for me.
Really?
No.
Is Connor handling, though, the plug it in and recharge for you?
I could do it myself.
Okay.
I know how it's so easy. And what a difference it is than putting batteries in.
Yeah, I sit in my spot on the couch and I just hit the remote and poof, they just come on for me, and it is pretty darn cool. It is. Threw in the spider rug and a couple of pots also. We like this pumpkin. Watch out your feet, Michelle. We like this pumpkin floor mat, but it's $10 and not new. So yeah. A minute to turn around and check out the fabric, and this kitty face on this bag is kind of cute. It's fleece, about 40 fleece squares, I guess, to make a quilt. Wow, that is a large dream catcher.
That'll catch your nightmares too.
I hope not. No, the kitties have all these perfect places to nap, but I mean, really, can't you just see Midnight in that having a grand old time? He would love it. After 11 pieces of clothing yesterday, I probably shouldn't take home any additional clothing today, but I will if I find just the right thing.
Yep.
So far, nothing is the right size. Oh, the music is really jamming in here, and I'm dreaming of it being cold enough to actually wear one of these nice jackets. That's what I'm dreaming of, Michelle.
Well, I'm not too eager for the cold, but I'll just sweat it out with one. I don't care. I don't like cold.
I said goodbye to Michelle. She's headed to get the kids from school. I took the cart back, went into Little Angel to take a peek. We had a little more rain, and what that means is that it got super humid out here. It's just super humid. Yeah, I wouldn't want to place a bet that we're done with the rain for today. I just really wouldn't want that bet. I think I heard Mike Mays say last night, Saturday, we could count on no rain. I think that's what I heard him say. But between now and Saturday, we got rain chances. It'd be okay if it dried out for a couple days. Right now, it would. I am going slow, watching for deer and any other living things that might be on the driveway. So Don said we're going to get a second estimate now from Caliber Collision because they're more hooked up with State Farm, I guess, and just see what they have to say. So yeah, that's also happening. I guess that's sometime next week. It's just 2 little small bags.
So you're gonna hit me with this? This could kill me.
It is the weight of a brick.
It is. It's solid glass.
Yes, it's very... I thought it would look great with rainbow-colored LEDs behind it. So any place I have lights will work.
Some rugs. Wait a minute. I've seen this one before. We've already got one of these.
But I can't leave black cats behind. And that one's in the bedroom, and this one's going to go in the family room. And I don't have the spider web. Michelle brought it over and says, here, you need this. And I just listen to what I'm told, just like you do sometimes. Yeah. But I thought, well, hopefully we're going to get a cute picture where all the cats lined up on the little rugs.
Well, if 1 is good, 2 is better, 50 is even better.
I think I'll settle for 2. But that other one's 10 years old. I told Michelle it was getting a little worn out at this point.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, you got you a tight.
I got me a... Feel it, though. It's
nice.
very soft.
Yeah, it's that kind of like shirt material more so than...
Yeah, it's nice. It's a lighter weight. It's not bulky, I guess.
It's not sweatshirt. It's more of, yeah.
Yes. This is for Johnny, actually.
Well, he's not going to freeze to death this winter.
Well, this is he likes to wear light rain jackets just to have long sleeves sometimes. And this is a Russell brand, and it's his size. And that's for Johnny.
That's right. I agree. That's a nice jacket. We have the obligatory coffee mug.
Yeah, so it says, hold it up, Vanna, do better. It says, I love my cat, and it kind of matches the one I got yesterday.
Well, I'll tell you what, if I could get that full of ice cream, it'd be worth it.
Okay. Well, we'll just use it for your ice cream the next time, but I think it hurts surface area for the other stuff you put on your bowl of ice cream.
That's true. We have something for the gnomes.
It's a fairy garden piece. What it really is it's a candle topper. But it's a waterfall with daylilies, lotus flowers. And I'm going to put it outside in one of my fairy gardens. Michelle's like, that thing goes on top of a candle. And I go, not in my house.
How does it go on top of a candle?
Well,
Does it not burn?
Well, after you extinguish the candle, silly.
Oh.
Donnie. It's one of these, but for a non-round hole. See? Look at the scarecrow, pumpkin scarecrow. That's a candle. They make these things to go on top.
Look, we got rid of candles in like 1870. Us electrical people. We don't do candles.
Hold up the pot.
Oh,
I couldn't resist it.
It's blue. It's real.
I know it doesn't have a hole, but it just was.
Oh, really? But it's got a bullseye right here for a hole, baby.
You think you can...
one time with a hammer and it'll go... I think we can try.
Duct tape on both sides and the appropriate drill bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, if it's clay, fired, not glazed, that you have a chance.
That's right. That's just simple. It's not glazed on either side, so it's just.
Yeah, and then there's one more little plastic pot you didn't pull out of the other bag.
Oh, there it is.
Something for Christmas.
That might be an okay ice cream bowl too.
Do you have ice cream on the brain? Always.
Always, pretty much.
Morris is getting a tummy rub. Hi, Morris. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, look at the Morris. Don's working with his Arduino and his programming project for the garage door stuff, and I got yesterday's video done, and I'm going to work with the gourd house for a little bit.
Okay, so I ordered 3 ESP32 development boards from Amazon for $20, and this included the nice little breadboard. You see the ESP32 is that smaller silver thing, but the 2 green things, those are the pinouts, and that was extra. Anyway, I got 3 pinouts and plug boards, I should say, and then 3 ESP32 development modules for $19. Anyway, So I've spent some time learning, installing, this is Linux, Ubuntu on Marianne's old, actually this is the MacBook that we found at the recycling center up at South Park, and I loaded Linux on it, and it's actually been working very well. But anyway, I put all the Arduino IDEs on in the platform IO and VS Code and this command line tools and the web tools and all that to say that I've got it now set up where I can actually do a simple script. And an example here I've set up as a web server, and I'm gonna just basically turn an LED on the little board on and off. So you know, it only took 2 days to get to this point. Oh well, probably closer to 3. But I've learned a lot. So now I can actually start coding, and I'm going to probably fiddle a little bit more with putting this out in the garage, hooking it up to the actual garage door opener using my optical coupler, so that, you know, because the thing can only take 5 volts, and the thing's well over 12. So I'm probably going to do remote desktop out there, because right now I've had you can update the firmware on over the internet on this thing, this little chip. And I tried it, and I had some trouble with it. I haven't gotten that working, but at this point I can still do my development, like I said, just using the remote desktop, and that's probably what I'm going to do.